I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this Fiat 500. So if we go onto phone, you'll see there no phone connected. You've got settings there, onto settings, and it shows you the phones that you can connect and a little cog at the end. Click on the little cog, it brings up a different menu, connect phone or delete phone. I want to delete phone. Do you want to delete John's phone from the phone and audio device list? Yes, that's what I want to do. So that's it deleted. I'll just show you how to pair a mobile now. So we go onto settings, we're looking for Bluetooth, onto Bluetooth, watching out at the bottom. So I'll just go back to radio. So from any screen, onto phone, you'll see there no phone connected. Do you want to pair a phone? Now, I'm just going to click no for the moment, because the chances are you will have another phone. So we want to do it the long way. You've got another phone connected. You want to connect another one. So go to settings. Let's see, go down here. Oops. Phone Bluetooth, onto phone Bluetooth. Paired phones and audio devices. We'll click on that. Add device. So add device. It's showing there pin 7376. That'll be it. You connect. So click on there. It's actually generated the pin code, so you don't need to put anything in. Just click on that, click here, yes. Pairing in process. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow Bluetooth pairing successful. Make this your favorite. Well, don't need to, but I will. And then we look for Uconnect on here. Where is it? Is it at the top? Oh, there it is, Uconnect. So that's connected. That's how you do it. Do you want to download your phone book and recent calls? Well, I don't. But you'll see there, Barry's iPhone 13 Pro connected. Okay, you want to stream audio. So go to your music. We'll click on that record there playing. You'll see Uconnect is at the bottom. Uconnect is a tick next to it. That means any audio that plays on your mobile, if you've got this set up correctly, the audio will play through the speakers. Now then, what you have to do now, I'll turn this up. That's on the radio, so we go to media, and it's come up straight away. Achilles heel, top loader, that's playing. If it doesn't come up straight away, you see there select source. It may not show. It could have been on auxiliary or USB or something like that. So if it was on auxiliary, you click select source, click Bluetooth, like so, like so. We'll turn that up, and that's it. Brilliant system.